Hello. Hi, Ayan. Hello. How are you? Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you? Sorry to
I'm good.
I think there was some glitch. Yeah.
Oh,
और जैसे Zoom start नहीं किया इस लैपटॉप पे so वो there was some issue. Yeah.
okay. So, hi, Ayan. Can you introduce yourself?
Mm, Speak something. My laptop में close हो गया.
Hmm?
Like what?
Tell me something about yourself.
That I'm
Like, huh?
Yeah. 7. Okay.
Hmm? And you are studying in which school?
DPS sector 45. 7 sector 47.
Okay. You're living
And
in
I'm a
Delhi.
boy.
Yeah. And you are living in Delhi,
No, Gurgaon.
Gurgaon. Okay, okay.
It's okay. You were born in Delhi. No, when?
Okay.
4th July. Oh, July.
4th July. Okay, good. Okay,
Yes.
so I will also introduce myself to you. My name is Komal Rachna, and I will be your maths mentor. So I'll tell you about my background. I'm a IT engineer. I have done my BTech, and I have also joined IT company as a system engineer. And after some years, I joined the EdTech because teaching is my passion. I love to interact kids like you. Okay, so I have an experience of 3 years in teaching. And when we talk about Olympiad exams, it is a little bit different from your regular school.
My mother didn't tell me what do I have to do here. So can
Okay. I'll tell you. So in your school, you learn the basic concepts of maths, right? Here, what we are going to do, we will learn the basics also, and we will be more focused on the practical aspects. Like if you get some tricky questions, how to solve that, what is the question asking to you, you have to think about that, right? How to solve, how to present your answer. So these things we will learn in Olympiad sessions. Okay, and you can interact with me. If you have any doubts, you can ask freely. Okay, if you have any ideas also, you can share with me. So how you are thinking, how you are dealing with that question. So our classes are going to be very interactive. Okay, I'll give you some quizzes, some questions, puzzles, many more things in our class. Okay. So today is our first class. Today is a demo. I'm giving you a short demo on some topic. So are you ready for that? Ready?
What do we have to do? She will show you
Hmm.
some, she will explain you something, then she'll ask some questions.
Okay. Can you guess on which topic I'm going to give you a demo? Any guess you have? Hmm. Okay. I'll tell you one thing. It is related to. Okay. I'll ask you one question and then I hope you will answer that. At what time you are waking up in the morning every day?
Like, I go to school on which time? Hold on. You wake up. I wake up at
Hmm?
8, 7. 7 a.m. 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Very good. Now, guess what topic I'm going to discuss today?
About about waking up.
Okay,
No.
about waking up. Okay. Uh, any more guess?
About
You said 7 a.m. What it is actually?
time.
Time, right. Very good. So we'll discuss about time today. Okay, I'm going to share a screen with you. Tell me if it is visible. Is this visible to you, Ayan?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So every day you are seeing a clock in your house, right?
Yes.
Tell me something about clock, what you can see inside the clock.
I can see time. Time.
Time. And in that clock, how many you can see the arms or the needles?
Yeah.
How many?
Only 12.
So
No.
these are the
No.
numbers, okay?
Needles. Yeah, how many needles do you see? Oh, needles.
Needles or arms you can see.
Which what? These. What are your arrows?
Okay.
How many do you see?
Huh.
Uh,
Can you see
how,
it? How many?
uh,
How
what
many
are we
line?
talking about?
I'm
But
talking about the hand or the needles. You have seen in a clock we have a minute hand,
oh,
hour hand. So how many hands? How many needles
both
are there?
hands. Um, a minute hand and hour hand.
Okay, and
Small
there will
one
be
is the minute.
second hand also, right?
The other small one is the hour hand, and
Hmm.
the long one is the minute hand.
Minute hand, very good. And there is one more hand which is a second hand which moves very fast.
It's the second one.
Hmm, very good. Okay, so tell me that a clock is divided into how many hours?
A clock.
There is a clock which you can see in the picture also.
It divides to how many hours are there in 12.
12.
No,
Okay.
24.
Hmm?
Uh, 12 only 12.
12 hours. Okay. And now if you can see between the 2 hours, there are 5 partitions. What it shows?
In between 12 and 1, there are 5 partitions. What does it show?
You can
What?
see here, this is 12.
It shows like 5 minutes. Like if we move one,
Hmm.
it will become like 15.
Very good. So this is 12 and this is 1. Between 12 and 1, how many partitions you can see?
5.
5. 5. And we have a total, if you can count the total number of partitions, there are 60 small partitions actually.
Oh.
So, in 1 hour, how many minutes are there?
Yeah. 20 in 1 hour. How many minutes are there? 1 day. 1 hour. 1 घंटे में कितने minutes? 1 hour. 1 day. Sure,
Hmm,
that is 60 minutes.
60 minutes. Very good. So, you will see that when a small hand, that means when a hour hand goes from 12 to 1, if it goes from 12 to 1, the minute hand takes a full clock rotation, right? That means that minute hand is completing a full 60 minutes because there are small 60 partitions. Each partition is small partition is equal to 1 minute actually, right? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay.
Did you get it? Why? Why is it so? How many total partitions are there in all? 60. Correct.
See, there are 5 between 12 and 1. There are
And not
5.
equal to 60 minutes. Answer दिखा दिया.
Okay. Yeah, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That's correct. Very good. Now, Ayan, how to see the clock, how to see the time, how to tell the time. Do you know that?
No.
Hmm?
No.
कैसे आप टाइम देखते हो वॉच में क्लॉक में आपको पता है
No. You know. Oh. Sit properly. What? Yeah. You know how to see the time? Again. Only in the phone. I see in the phone, not in the clock.
not okay digital we can see the hours and the minutes in the clock how to see the time how to see the needles second hand hour hand minute hand
I don't know how to like see the time.
okay see here we have as you know that we have hour hand and minute hand right
Yes.
okay so I'm just going to tell you how to see the time first of all so if the hour hand is let us say at 2
Ma'am, can you zoom in? Zoom in.
okay just a second
Because he wanted to see properly. Yeah.
is it
Now,
visible
yes, now it's visible. Yeah.
okay so see, Ayan, if we have two hands, one is hour hand and one is minute hand. So I'm now putting the hour hand at this 2 and the minute hand at this 12. So tell me what is this time?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. So when your minute hand is just perfectly on 12 and your hour hand is on any of these numbers given, you will easily tell the time, right?
Yes.
But what happens when the
If
minute hand...
2 past, like 2
Hmm.
past 3, 2 past 4, 2 past 5.
We'll see about that also. First of all, you tell me the time. If I put my minute hand, let us say on 2, okay, and my hour hand is just after 5, just
5.
after 5. What is this time? Can you tell me the time now?
I have an iPad close, but
Huh?
I'm not. So like Mm, you can see the minutes. Huh? I'm sorry. Okay, use.
Okay, do one thing, I'll tell you. You know the 5 times table, right? You know
Yeah.
the 5 times table. Okay,
Okay.
so you know one more thing, that between each of these number 12 and 1, there are 5 partitions. Then 1 and 2, there are 5 partitions. So now if you have to count the minutes, what you will do, if a minute hand is pointing to a number, you have to just multiply that number with 5. In this clock, which I have shown to you, the minute hand is pointing towards 2. So tell me that how many minutes are passed. What you will do here, you will multiply this 2 with 5. 10 minutes have passed. Very good. So 10 minutes have passed after which clock? After 5 o'clock. You can see the hour hand is just after 5. It just moved after 5. So after 5 o'clock, 10 more minutes have passed. Right? So the time is here 5:10. You are correct. The time is here 5:10. But how we will write the time nearest to the hour?
2:30.
Huh?
No, not 2:30. The small hand is here. 5. क्या हुआ? It's 5.
When the small hand, the hour hand is at 5 or just after the 5, you have seen that it is 5 o'clock, and the minute hand comes to 2. From 12, it comes to 2. So that means how many minutes have passed? 10 more minutes have passed.
Yes.
Right? So the time is 5:10.
हाँ.
कितना बजा? 5:10. Right? 5:10. But how you will write this time nearest to the hour? So इसके लिए I'll tell you some keywords here. Okay? How you have to represent the time. Now you can see this particular clock is divided into 2 parts. You can see the yellow part and the blue part. Right, Ayan?
Wait. Yeah, the yellow
Okay.
part and the blue part.
Yeah. So yellow part is on the right side. And blue part is on the left side. So now you have to think the clock is divided into 2 halves, right and left. Okay, this is clear. Now you will see that whenever your minute hand is on the right side, that means that many minutes have passed after the particular hour. ठीक है? Here in this example, the minute hand is at 2. So how many minutes have passed? 10 minutes have passed after 5.
I don't understand.
So, huh?
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Okay, tell me what is the difficulty? Till where you understood?
Like you're saying, is when the yellow part passes the hour and then comes to the minute.
Can you sit properly, Ayan? First of all, take your proper position. Yeah. Right side means what? That many minutes have passed, right? So you can see the minute hand is at 2. You can see here the minute hand is at 2. How many minutes have passed? 10 minutes. You have to just multiply that 2 with 5. So 10 minutes have passed after 5. So we have to write this time as 5 past, sorry, you have to write 10 minutes past 5 because 10 minutes have passed. You will use the word past here. You can see this is the word written. You have to use this word 10 minutes past 5.
Oh, 10 minutes past 5.
Right. This means that after 5 o'clock, 10 more minutes have passed. Or how you write the time in numbers, in figures, you will write it as 5:10. So these are the 2 ways to represent the time. Got it, Ayan? Okay. Now, whenever your minute hand comes on 3, you can see that when the minute hand comes on 3, what happens? So there is again a keyword which we use called quarter. You can see the word is written here, quarter past. Quarter means what? Have you ever wear the quarter pant? There is a quarter pant also we used to wear. Have you wear quarter pant?
3/4 जैसे मम्मा का
3/4.
3/4 पूरा नीचे
Quarter means
3/4 हाफ से ऊपर.
hmm. So quarter means actually 1/4. If it is a 3/4, then it is 3/4. Okay.
I thought it meant
Huh. So see the word quarter here. When the minute hand comes on 3, Ayan, see here. Now the minute hand has come to 3. So it actually covered 1/4 of the clock. If you consider from 12, this minute hand takes 1/4 rotation of the clock. From 12, it is coming to 3, right?
Oh,
So that means now how many minutes when it is at 3, how many minutes there it's? Can you count the minutes? When the minute hand is at 3, how many minutes it has passed?
three.
Hmm?
Three.
No, you have to multiply that number with 5.
Ah, okay. Nice. Right. Then I think 5 minutes.
3 multiplied by 5 is how much?
Oh, three multiple five. I thought you were asking something else. 3 multiplied by 5.
3 multiplied by 5 is
Mm, 15.
15. Very good. So it is 15 minutes past. So how we write this time now? This time how we write? Tell me the time in figures, in numbers. How you write this time? The minute hand is just after is just at 3 and the hour hand is just after 5. So what is the time right now?
Should I write it on the board?
No, you tell me, I'll write.
Oh, okay. 3. No. Minutes बोलने होते हैं. Oh, minutes. Okay. Then 5 and then 10. And 5, 10, 15.
5:15. This is the time. Now that means how many minutes passed? 15 minutes passed. Right? So we can write this time as 15 minutes past 5. Right?
Yeah.
Or we have a special word for this. When the minute hand is at 3, we have
Quarter
a
past.
special word. Quarter
Quarter past.
past. So we write this time as
Quarter past.
quarter past 5. After 5 o'clock, the minute hand has taken a 1/4 rotation, quarter rotation. So it is quarter past 5. Got
Yeah.
this thing? Any doubt here?
No. It's
Okay,
quarter past 5.
quarter past 5. Very good. So now see. Again, I'm going to tell you that now see that the clock is divided into two parts, left and right. Okay. So whenever your minute hand is anywhere in the right side, that means that many minutes have passed after the clock. Okay. When the minute hand is on the left side of the clock, I'll give you some example of the left side also. Yes, you're raising hand. Tell me.
So why do we call it a quarter past?
What is the meaning of quarter?
Yes.
What is the meaning of quarter? Tell me. I have told you.
Mm, what meaning of quarter?
Quarter means 1/4 of something. Okay. If for anything, if you are just if have you eaten pizza?
Yeah.
Pizza. Okay. Let us see. This is a pizza, and that pizza is actually divided into 4 slices. ठीक है? Actually divided into 4 slices. If you are taking one slice of the pizza, if you are eating, that means you are eating quarter portion of the pizza. 1/4 you have eaten. 1/4 means quarter. So here also, what the minute hand is doing
Like
from
after
12,
4, you
yeah,
cut 1. That means 1/4.
you have to make 4 equal parts of that, and out of that 4 part, if you are taking out one,
Yes.
that is
And
equal to 1/4. So here also the minute hand from 12 comes to 3. So actually it is moving 1/4 of the clock. From 12 it is moving to 3. So that is why we use the word quarter here. Got it?
oh,
Yeah. So 2 times we can use the word quarter. For quarter past we use when the minute hand comes on 3 because it moves quarter of a clock. And quarter 2 we use when the minute hand is on 9. Quarter 2. That means what? Here the word is 2. That means 15 more minutes are remaining for the next hour. Got it? So the word quarter we use 2 times. When the minute hand is at 3, we use quarter past. There is a word past. When the minute hand is on 9, we use the word quarter 2.
like if we have 4
Mm.
and we take away 1, that means quarter past 1.
Now I'm giving you one example here. Let us see. Now your minute hand is at 9. Okay. And your hour hand is just approaching towards 2. It is not yet at 2. It is approaching towards 2. It is coming, it is very near, very close to 2. Now it is coming towards 2. So what is the time? First tell me in the numbers, in the figures, you tell me the time. How many minutes when it is at 9? Can you count the minutes?
9 quarter to.
No, tell me how many minutes, how you find the minutes, what you have done so far, how you counted the minutes.
Yeah. Minutes.
Mm.
Here to here.
What you will do with the 9 to get
What?
the,
I'm saying 9 is how many minutes?
when the minute hand is at 9, that means it is how many minutes?
I don't understand. मतलब यहाँ तक कितने minutes हो गए 9 तक? यहाँ से यहाँ
आपने यहाँ क्या किया था? आपने
यहाँ
2
से
को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई
यहाँ
किया
से
था टू गेट द मिनट।
ओह
ठीक है आयान, आपने
1
3 को
2
भी 5
3
से
4
मल्टीप्लाई किया था,
8
तो 9 को
9 times 9 times 5 9 times 5
कितना मिनट हुआ? 9 times 5, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स?
9 that is like what is 10 times 5? What is 10 times 10 5? Times 5 is 50 minus 5. Minus 5 is 45. 45.
45, very good. So 9 times 5 is 45 minutes. Now you tell me that our hand is after which? It is approaching 2. So it is after 1, right? After 1, the minute hand came towards 9. So that means the time is 1:45. Hour कैसे देखना है आपको? How to see the hour? You have to see that our hand has passed which number? It has passed which number? So it has passed 1. It is not yet come to 2 actually.
It is like it is almost till only half till 1. Like only till this little point 1.
Hmm. So
Close to
it moved after 1, but it has not yet reached to
Like
2.
this
Right?
point. It's at this point.
Yeah. So the time is 1:45 actually when you write in the figures. But if you have to write in the words, if you have to write to the nearest hour, how you will write? We have to use this word quarter to. So now tell me, we use here word quarter to. Quarter to means 15 minutes are remaining for the next hour. What will be the next hour here? After 1, what will be the next hour?
To 1. Then it will be the second hour.
Second hour, very good. 2. So that means 15 minutes are remaining for 2 o'clock. Now we will write the time quarter to 2.
That it
So,
means like quarter to 2.
quarter to 2. So when what you have learned from here, when the minute hand comes on the left side of the clock, we will write how? We have to see how many minutes are remaining for the next hour. So here we use a particular word quarter to 2. But if I tell you that the minute hand is at, let us say, 8. Okay, the minute hand is at 8. Now how we'll write the time? How many minutes are remaining for the next hour now?
The next hour is what is the time? How many minutes are remaining for next? 3.
Okay, now first of all, you tell me that when the minute hand is at 8, how will you count the minutes? How many minutes are there?
Minutes?
How will you count the minutes? You have every time you have multiplied the number by 5.
4 minutes.
No,
No,
beta.
that's before.
8, it is at 8. Okay, when the minute hand is at 8, how you will count the minutes? You have to multiply that number with 5.
I thought either से इधर. That is 2 this. कितने minutes हो गए मैम पूछ रही हूँ. 1 2 3 4 5 8. 8 times 5. 8 times 5. 40.
40 minutes. 40 minutes have already passed, right? But आपको बताना है कि how many minutes are remaining for the next hour. So now you tell me, now recall in 1 hour how many minutes? 1 hour में कितने minutes होते हैं? Recall.
60 minutes.
60 minutes. 60 minutes में से 40 minutes already passed हो गए. How many minutes are remaining? 20 minutes. Okay. So for the next hour, 20 minutes are remaining. Got it? So how we will write the time? 20 minutes 2, the next clock is 2 because your hour hand is approaching towards 2. So 20 minutes to 2. That means there are more 20 minutes left for 2 o'clock. Is that clear?
Yes.
Can I give you a question? Can you tell me the answer?
Okay.
I will just tell you. You have to see the figure here. The main thing is what? When the minute hand is on the right side, it is very easy. What you have to do, you have to just see that how many minutes have passed after the clock. Okay, you have to use the word past every time when the minute hand is on the right side of the clock.
30 minutes has passed.
Mm. Okay, when the minute hand is on the left side of the clock, you have to see how many minutes are remaining for next hour. You have to use the word to. Okay, try one question. I'll tell you. I'm asking you a question. You try this. Now your minute hand is at 5.
Five.
This is the minute hand, bigger hand. And your hour hand is after 1. Just let me make it shorter. Hour hand is after 1. What is the time? First tell me in the figures, in the numbers, you first tell me the time.
So 1. 5 past 2. No.
Hour hand is the smaller hand and minute hand is the bigger hand.
Uh,
First of all, count the minutes here.
2 past 3. बेटा किस पे है ये 5. And 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 50. No, sorry. The 5 times 5 is 10.
5, read the 5 table.
Oh, 5 table. Oh, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Okay, 25. So that means 5 times 5 is 25.
25.
5 times 5 is 25. That means 20 minutes have passed. Right? 20 minutes have passed after which clock? After which hour? Now see the hour.
Hour 2.
See, it is not yet at 2. It is just crossed 1.
It is before 2. It is after.
No,
It is,
see the
where is
updated
it?
clock.
It is approaching 2. Oh, so it is. It is here.
आपको
Yes.
देखना है कि कौन सा उसने
And
क्रॉस कर दिया है. Right? You have to always see.
here.
So 1 it is crossed, right?
Ah.
After 1 o'clock, how many minutes have passed? 25 minutes have passed.
25.
So how you will write the time now?
I will find the time. Like the how many minutes? 25 minutes. So 2.
आप जब मोबाइल में टाइम देखते हो कैसे दिखता है आपको टाइम?
5 minutes past.
वैसे बताओ.
Like this. Like this is 2, and then why do you dot and then no, it's five? Before 2.
You just tell me the time. Tell me.
What is it? Um, the time. Is time.
First you have to see the hour. What is the hour?
Hour is 2.
No, beta. You have to see here that which clock it has
और
passed.
zoom in कर दो.
और zoom करूं? Okay.
Properly, carefully. Oh,
Just a second. Is it now visible?
Yeah. Beta, it has crossed which number and it's before which number?
Let me just write it again.
बताओ अब टाइम क्या है? Time is 5 quarter. Quarter छोड़ दो. It's not quarter. 5 पे कौन कितने minutes होते हैं? I don't understand your question. What is the time? Time.
Yes. Okay, find out the minutes. How many minutes are there? When your minute hand is at 5, how many minutes are there? You have to multiply each of the number with 5 when I'm asking you the minutes. How many minutes are there?
5.
Huh?
Sorry. 1. 5 times 5. 5 times I have to multiply. Then it is minus 5 is
You have just said
what?
some minutes before.
Oh, what is that? What was it? Where did I get it?
5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are
25.
25. Very good. So that means whenever your minute hand is at 5, it means it is a 25 minute. Got it? Now see, your hour hand has passed which number? कौन से नंबर को उसने क्रॉस किया है आवर हैंड
25.
आवर हैंड दिस इज योर आवर हैंड
Where is the hour hand? Hour hand is at
it
2.
passed it has crossed which number just see it
1.
has
Crossed
1 1 so the time is 1:25 okay
1.
got it
Yes.
now how you write it in the words to the nearest hour 25 minutes have passed after 1 so what you will write you will write 25 minutes
Past
past
10.
1
No, better tell.
1 it has passed after 1 na so 25 minutes have passed after
Welcome.
don't worry we will learn these things in detail this is just a demo I'm just giving you an idea how to see the time okay you try at your home when you see the clock when your minute hand is on the right side of the clock you have to count how many minutes have passed after that hour
One
okay
second, I have a clock. No, you don't have to bring it, Ayan. You have a demo right now. Come back. And that is here. Right? Here.
okay show me your clock if you can find it okay you have shown me the clock now see where is your minute hand in this clock
Minute hand is it's between 5 and 4.
Yeah. Show me once. Uh, it's not visible to me actually. Okay, yes. Your minute hand is between 5 and 4. Okay, assume that it is perfectly on 5 because it will be a little bit difficult if I go with in the partition.
One
Okay,
second.
assume it is on the 5. So how many minutes?
Pin. I I have to pin myself then. Do you pin it? It's okay, leave it. Ma'am is talking. Okay. So assume ma'am is saying this minute hand is at 5. It's 5.
Huh, so how many minutes have passed?
How many minutes?
Hmm.
So it has passed only 2 2 minutes.
Uh, can you show me your clock, Ayan?
I have to pin myself.
Okay, I can see your clock. It is on 5. Okay. So count the minutes. You have just counted here in the picture also.
How many minutes till 5? 1. This how many minutes till 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what number is it on? It's 5, na? Yes. And
You have to multiply this with 5. If I'm asking about the minutes, just multiply
4.
that number with 5.
4 times 5. No, it is not at 4. It is at 5. Why are you confused? Sit properly. I'm confused. No, beta. See, ये सारे partitions हैं मैम ने बताए थे. Okay, so from 12 to 1 it's 5 minutes. From 1 to 2 5 minutes. To 2 to 3 5 minutes. 3 to 4 5 minutes. Again 5 minutes. How many minutes in total? 5 times 5 is 25. Yes.
25. Very good. Now see your hour hand. Where is the hour hand in your clock?
Our hand. It's like it's 1 past 2. Only 2 के बाद only 1 more. So it is past which our hand is after which number? After 2.
It is showing 2 in the clock.
No, like it's just
Because I cannot see your clock. You have to answer that.
like see it is here.
So it has passed one actually,
Yes.
right? It has passed two. Sorry, it has passed two. That on one, it is your alarm hand, I can see.
Oh.
So it has passed two actually.
Hmm.
So that means it is 2:25 in your clock, right?
2:25.
After 2 o'clock, 25 more minutes have passed. So how you will tell the time?
It is
25 minutes past 2.
2:25. Yes.
2:25. Very good. 2:25 and 25 minutes past 2. In both the ways, you can tell the time. So practice with your clock in at your home. Okay.
I can change it to any time.
Yeah, you
But
can do
I
that.
change it to the same time.
Yeah.
So it's at 1 little fast. And put it on 3. The big needle on 3. Big
Okay.
needle.
Okay. Now leave your clock. I'll ask you one more
5.
question. Leave your clock now.
5.
Hmm. If your minute hand is now at 10,
ध्यान से देखना इसको
see,
छोड़ो look at ध्यान
see here. If your minute hand is at 10 and your hour hand is, let us say it is just about to come at 1. Let me just make it more clear. It has not yet reached 1, but it is about to come at 1. So now tell me, the minute hand is at 10. Tell me what is the minute here? At 10, what is the total minute passed?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
50 minutes passed, right? So how many minutes are remaining for the next hour? Because when I have told you, when your minute hand is on the left side of the clock, you
10.
have to 10 more minutes. Very good. So 10 minutes are remaining for the next hour, right?
What is the time?
Okay. So tell me the time. What is the time here? When you write the time in figures, in numbers,
10.
the hour hand has crossed 12.
No.
The hour hand has crossed 12.
What hand is this? What has it crossed? Our hand has crossed which number? This short
This
middle.
is the shorter one is the hour hand. Yes. It has
It has
crossed
crossed
which
which number?
number?
12. Yes, so the
12.
time is 12.
Tell the time now.
12, 10. 50 minutes. Beta. 10 is not 10, it's 50 minutes.
When you have to write in the figures, you have to write exact hour and minute. So it is 12:50. Now you write in the words how many minutes are remaining for the next clock.
How many minutes?
You have just said how many minutes are remaining for the next hour.
10. Yes.
10. So you will write now 10 minutes
To
to
which
to
number?
what? To next hour will be what?
12. Beta, it's between 12
After
and
12, which hour will come? After 12 again.
make
The
it. So it should be 1? Yes.
so 10 minutes to 1. Got it, Tayan? You practice this at your home. Definitely, you will be able to answer very frequently now because you have now you know the thing how to write the time. Whenever your minute hand is at 6, okay, when the minute hand comes at 6, that means it has crossed half of the clock actually. From 12, it has come 6.
1 and see, the time is. You don't have to touch all this okay. Screen. The time is 12:15. I mean, only no. 2:15. बेटा time तो ये दिखा रहा है अभी तो. हाँ अभी.
See the next thing. See here. When your minute hand comes at 6, that means it has covered half of the clock. So we use the word here half past. Okay. First of all, now tell me what is the time showing in the clock. Numbers में बताओ time. Figures में बताओ क्या है time अभी. Minutes, how many minutes are there when the minute hand is at 6?
4:30.
That's very good. That's correct. 4:30 is correct. Now tell me in the numbers, in the figures, how you will write? 6.
You will not touch the screen. ऐसे बताओ. 10.
When it is at 6, tell me the minutes.
The 1, 2 minutes.
No.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
30 minutes. Very good. Okay.
Because till 12 till 6 is 30.
Yes. So now can you tell the time how you
Because
are?
30 plus 30 is 60, and there in 1 hour there is 60 minutes.
Tell me the time, what it is now in the figures.
It's 4
Hour
past, uh,
4.
4 past, 4 past, no, in figures. In figures. 4:30.
4:30, correct. So 4:30 and we can say half past 4. Got it? You can practice this at home, right, Ayan? So I hope you like this demo. We have many more things. When we come to our class, we will learn many things. Right. If you have any query, you want to say something, any question you have, Ayan?
No.
No.
I have one question. Who designed the clock?
Oh, that's a tricky one. I have to search that also. You can search who designed the clock. Okay. All right. So you can share your feedback with the team. Hope you like the session and I hope to see you soon in our upcoming sessions. Thank you, Ayan. Thank you, ma'am.
Um, my mother's gone. Okay, she's here.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.